Hello, another day. I'm on my way to get my toenails done because they're atrocious. What I really want is I want a facial, I want a full body massage, and I need a pedicure. But I don't have facial money, and I don't have full body massage money. So I'm gonna get a pedicure. But when I go country, if I find a little place, like a lady who... Why you turn that down? If I find a lady down there, you know, sometimes you can find somebody in the country that does some good massage for a good price, I probably will do that. So for now, we're gonna do the two of them. But they are Mega Mart people. Big grocery store. This is an attraction. Come, we can go do a little shopping. I just want to make you know, if you want the best season for your fish, this is the best. This Maggie season is the baddest for your fish, okay? Please change up. Please completely change up. It look good though. Nice and big and spacious, very foreign. Look good. See how much shrimp costs. No, not the cooked one. We want uncooked, and we want... I prefer when they're not peeled, but that's fine. But this, nope, I'm not ready. What is this one? Early dawn. This is a... What's this? Maybe not today though. Not today. But at least I know what the prices are so I can budget, because I do love me some swims. And my pepper shrimp. Oh my god. Oh my god. What am I gonna do? Oh shoot, guys. No egg. No egg. 1 dozen egg per person. Wow. Oh my god. I don't eat egg, but you know? Wow. That's crazy. Found the impossible. Some sausage for 3. I don't like beyond. It's only impossible. Over 3 grand. Got to know. I see this little thing here. Eden's veggie balls. Maybe I'll try that.
See someone here?
Yeah.
Vegan balls, burger black bean, protein burgers.
Maybe I'll come back because
All of these are black. Then you would have a pure selection in here,
okay. Some spinach cheese puff pastry. I do like that. I'll come back for that because I don't know. I'm just following my father. My mind is not on shopping right now. I need my mind right to shop. Especially when you're spending a certain amount of money, my mind needs to be right. Otherwise, I will freak out. So we'll just put that on pause. Oh my gosh, I never even shown the nice delicious tin mackerel I make last night. Don't worry about me, you know if you buy potatoes, I can make potato wedges. I can make some good fries and stuff from scratch. Oh, okay. I love how small these onions are.
Yeah.
I hate seeing the big jumbo ones in foreign. I like these small ones and they pack more flavor. Oh, you know what I need? Oh my god! I wanted to get it on a fruit stand, but Father, I found the Holy Grail. You know what, Nige?
Yeah.
You're very miserable.
Yes,
Okay, I asked Malachi one time who is the miserable out of me. No, it wasn't me. It was his grandmother, his nana, and you. And he put me in the mix for some reason. But he said, I don't know how I got involved. Well, I was asking about the price. He said Nana third, me second, and you number one.
You know why? You know why I'm saying that?
Tell me.
Let me tell you why I'm saying that. Because him used to being a little mama man, a little mama boy, right? All of his life, where his great grandmother, oh mother, can this? And your grandmother the same thing, and his mother, oh baby, baby, baby. So him living with me now, and I'm teaching him the right things to do and how to do them. Don't leave the fridge door open and walk off and go watch TV, right? Don't leave 4 glass on the counter. When you use one, just wash it, and you can use it back, right? When you use something, just tidy up the place, which is what he needs to learn to do.
Okay, before I get offended, what is a mama boy? Mama man. What is a mama man?
Oh, he's a baby. Oh, he's a baby. He can't do anything. He doesn't know better. He's a baby. Don't quarrel with him, no. It might offend him. Yeah, that's a mama.
No one was. Nobody was ever like that. Nobody was ever like that. No. You're too wicked. But at least you acknowledge that you was the most miserable.
What is that?
Miserable is the people. No, you are though.
Miserable.
No, you are.
He's just doing.
And
He's
any-
just teaching
and-
this big austere.
But it's not just about
the
crime.
right thing.
It's spending 5 minutes today. I'm like, geez, I'm crime. And now I know any misery that I have.
You need for a mile.
You! 3 apple, okay? Otaheite apple. This is a Jamaican apple. By the way, Tony says that, and his family, they've never heard Otaheite. It's just called apple. While in Kingston, I've always known Otaheite apple, and in Westmoreland, just apple. So that's very, very interesting to me. But, oh my God!
I don't see the smoke coming out of the pork.
This, I only sorry say I'm not going to be here for mango season. Although, I mean, I can travel so I can come back.
There's a Bombay mango tree right across the road from me, you know, where I get mango every year.
I can travel so I can come back.
I think the rat back them in Ford.
We do get decent mango in Florida, actually, but
You don't get Bombay.
it's not the same, that's true. So,
You don't get East India.
I'll be back for my mango. But this hits every spot. You know what I wish I could find? I don't know if the season is gone. The plum. Look at plum them.
Yeah, that's February. That's actually, it's about, no. February, March.
I'm looking up for those plums. I don't even have a... It's different from any other plum, you know? But I don't have... It's just called plum.
You could show up. And then I got that one, yes. So when they pass it,
Looking for the nail in, so I'm going to finish my apple. Right there, son. That's from working shoes. That's why I'm for work. Yeah, I don't polish my nails because it doesn't fit my lifestyle. I'm not that girl. When I go fishing and stuff, having nails and nail polish, I don't. Show you in the sunlight. I always do French when I'm when I do my toes, when I get them done, because I can just always polish my nails myself. I can't do French, so when I get them done, I get the French done. All right, where to, Auntie?
We are going to the hardware.
Okay.
Oh, this is a one-way. This is a dead end. I have to turn back. all get
Yes.
yes
Mine medium hot or blazing.
hot.
Scotch, cayenne or brew.
Scotch.
Scotch.
Which one? Scotch or what?
Cayenne or brew.
Cayenne or both. Both.
Both.
Pot mix.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
What's it?
Millie, and what's your heart to drink?
We have the limeade, we have the chocolate,
What's a chapel?
Otaheite apples, and
Otaheite.
juice.
Juice.
Is that good?
It's exceptional.
It's exceptional.
What?
Bad stuff.
He
What?
said Otaheite apple juice
Yeah.
is I've never had Otaheite apple juice before.
Yeah, it's usually good.
I'll take exceptional. Yeah. Okay. Is it exceptional?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Let me try.
What a crisp. Exceptional, right?
Oh, it tastes like Otaheite apple.
Mm-hmm. But it is Otaheite.
This raw?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I did not know that.
You want it raw?
I don't know. Let me try. I'll see. Good. That's how you like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. Okay. Not something I would have ever ordered.
Wrong.
Not bad. Sometimes I keep forgetting to end the vlog. I'm home. Every time I come off the road, I just feel done for. Like, honestly, I'm such a foreign girl. The driving on these roads are, nope. Anyway, I'm about to cook. I'm going to cook curry potato and curry chickpea and rice, and I'll show you that. And then that's it. That's it. We're done for the day. Right, son?
Yeah. There's a couple more ones, yeah.
You can have them. I got this little pack of curry. This is the type of color that I like. I'm not even showing good on camera. Pour some here. This needs like a flash. Yes, that's better, especially when it's done. Alright, so this is my meal. I always put a little scotch bonnet, if you can see here. Sorry, the rice covering it. I always sprinkle a little scallion. I love scallion. I always eat in a bowl with a spoon. That's me. So, let's taste it. Oh, big piece of pepper. Could use a little salt, but I put so much salt in there. I think it's the potato, it just soak up the salt, so I didn't want to put any more. But it's not bad. It's not bad. Dad, how is it for a no meat meal? How is it for a no meat meal? Alright. It's okay, it's good. Could I use like a meat? But it's okay, it's good. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish up my dinner. And Kai, how was the food? Good, good. It could use some chicken. It don't need no chicken. Anyway, this ends the vlog. If you reached this far, thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys.